pack one. What up, guys? Welcome back. Dad's grabbing some drinks. It's pretty hot out today, but I'm gonna suffer. I got pants, long sleeve fishing jersey. My sun is just cooking, and well, I'm not fully ready for a nasty sunburn, so I'm gonna deal with the heat, sweat way too much, but it'll be all right. Anyways, guys, welcome back. We're hitting the river again. We got more cut bluegill, more night crawler, and some goldfish today. We're gonna try that out and see if we can't catch a mess of fish or a big fish or a fish, or we're going fishing. Let's see what we can catch. Alright, guys, like I said, bear with the wind. That's just a given anymore. Gonna do one piece cut bait. Gonna do one with night crawler. Now the night crawler we'll set up today, we're gonna run a decent hook, but the hook is set on a float, a little spinner, just to cause a little more attraction, a little more shine, try to get their attention better. And then today we're gonna run live goldfish. There's a lot of people that goldfish don't work, and then you have the other half that goldfish catch everything. And well, I'm a half and half. Some days it does seem like goldfish is the best choice. Other days you can't catch anything on a goldfish, so it just varies. I say the number one bait to use on the river if you want to guarantee that you're going to catch a fish of some sort is a night crawler. After a night crawler, has to be cut bait. If you're going to just guarantee you're going to try to catch a fish, get bites, that would be the top two baits for me. But nonetheless, let's work on getting these out there. See if we can't catch a fish. Well, that makes sense why the bite was so weird and finicky. It's biting a big old thorn. I'm now gonna try to get the cut bait up here. See if I can get this one out of the way. Just don't want any of my poles taken off where I can't help. Guys, hopefully that one's on him somewhat. Here we go. What we got? Good size, big size?
It's decent, it's not a monster. Okay. It's got it coming.
Don't lose it. Now it's all tangled up. I hope it don't cut the line. I don't like the roll. Hold on, you're in the sticks. She wasn't quite ready. I wasn't ready for a bath either, though.
She's in the corner too.
All right, Dad's on the board first. I mean, who would have guessed? I think we all knew that, but it was going to happen.
Yeah, I had that one good.
All right.
Show your camera.
No, you can hold it up and then I'll show it to the camera. Got it? She's going to roll on you. She's a playful one, that's for sure. All right, guys. Once again, Dad's on the board first. Another decent, what, 15?
15, 20.
15, 20, somewhere right in there. I mean, I have a scale, but we're not gonna weigh them all, guys. Get a photo and get it back in the water real quick. Nice, all right, let's do the release. That was fun, even though I'm not the one catching them. She's got plenty of energy. Over there doing what Dad normally does, being all quiet, hooking into fish. He's got something. Look at there. Nice channel. All right, guys. Fish number 2 for Dad. Finally caught a fish. Caught a fish. That's up to you.
I'm already cleaned one.
Nice. All right, guys. Well, I don't know what all was caught on camera due to some type of error. My camera was frozen, so I caught one now on goldfish. So that's one channel cat for me and a channel cat and a blue for Dad. He caught his on night crawler and cut bait. So see you can catch the next one. He's still there or not. Like I said, I don't think he's there. I'm just in a deep hole. No, not there. Night crawler just has not seemed to be the ticket today. I got enough night crawler on there that I'm just going to send it back out there again, but it just doesn't seem to be it today. I'm going to try this little spinner up close against the rocks on this side. See what happens. Caught another fish. Look at that, guys. Nice little sturgeon. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We came out, we tried. I thought it'd be a little better. I'm not gonna say like a lot better, but I thought it'd been a little better. But the wind was also supposed to die down, and it never did. So take that as you will. Nonetheless, we're getting packed up. We appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you on the next one.